Discord is giving out 3,400 orbs. Yes, I'm not joking, but just a quick notice. If you do not want to miss out on free Discord Nitro and Orbs news, then make sure to subscribe now. We need to cross around 12,700 subscribers this week anyhow. With YouTube's audio track feature, you can watch my videos in several languages if you don't understand English, like Arabic,
طلبت من موظفي الخادم
Japanese,
كان難しい質問をしてきましたが
Hindi.
आपके लिए एक बढ़िया अतिरिक्त हो सकता है.
There are many other languages in the list too. Back to the topic. Discord has released 2 new quests. The first is from the World Warcraft Midnight. It will expire on 26th of this month, and it's a 10 minutes watch. The second is from Rainbow Siege 6. It will expire on the 3rd of March. This one has a lot of time left, but make sure to finish them on time. In total, these quests are giving out 1,400 orbs. There are other active quests too, like Scarlet, Tacticus, and Opera GX. In total, this should be around 3,400 or 3,500 orbs. 3 days Nitro costs 1,400 orbs, so this much orbs will get you 6 days free Nitro. Discord has also released a beta feature in which they will give away 200 orbs per month. To know more about that, watch this video. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.